So remember, this house was built in 1985, and there's this beautiful, multicolored door, absolutely solid designs on it. You say, wow, that looks great. This turns out was under probably 20 layers of paint. It was actually dark blue with like splatters on it. So somewhere along the way, people had taken this beautiful custom door and covered it with paint. And the painter that they contracted, Tom, who we've worked with now a couple times.
Basically, Tom took that door to his shop and started peeling off that multiple layers of paint. And then he phoned us and phoned Jeff, and he was like, you have to see it.
Before I paint this door white, you have to see what's underneath.
You have to see what is underneath, because this door is absolutely gorgeous. And so he brought the door and basically was half peeled. And yes, the beautiful pattern was revealed.
But it's a great example of what you get from Jeff and his contracting crew. Rather than just blindly say, okay, I'm going to add now the 31st layer of white paint to make it match. They actually came back and did the right thing to actually improve the quality and the look of the house, right? Because we never would have known this is what was underneath there.